In this tutorial, we will install Portainer to install and manage Docker containers. In order to do that, we will SSH into our Raspberry Pi. Once we are in, we can check the Docker version by running the command sudo docker version. This will show us the Docker version which we have installed. In this case, it's 20.10.2. To install Portainer, we would first need to create a Docker volume. Volume are the file systems mounted on Docker containers to preserve data generated by running the containers. So in this case, we would create a volume named Portainer_data. Once the volume is created, now let's install Portainer. We will use a specific command to install Portainer. All the commands used in this video are there in the description. This will download the Portainer image from Docker Hub. I have already downloaded the image and thus it's not been downloaded again. The warning shown is because we have not specified the image platform. Don't worry about that. So now Portainer is installed on our Raspberry Pi. Now let's go to our browser and key in the Raspberry Pi IP address followed by the port 9000. It is the same port which we specified in our Portainer installation command. You will be taken to the initial setup screen where you will require to create a new user for our installation. Once the password is set, click on Create User. Once the user is created, you would need to link Portainer to our Docker environment. Click on Docker. Here in the information panel, you will be shown some Docker flag. This is the same flag which we used in our Docker installation command. Click Connect. This will connect Portainer to the Docker environment. Here you will be shown details of our Docker environment like number of stacks, Docker containers created. Click on Containers, you will be shown containers installed on our Docker environment. On the left hand side panel, you can see volumes. Here you will be shown number of volumes you have created. The Portainer_data is the volume which we created earlier. Under images, you will see the Docker images. Under stacks installed, here we have none of them. Under app templates, you will be shown templates which you can use to install Docker images. There are several available. Click on the container name to see details of the container. Here you can see the port used by the container, different volumes linked to this container, network linked to this container, and various other details. You can also modify the container from this place. Different actions can be performed on this container using the action buttons like stop, start, kill, restart, pause. You can view logs generated by the container. This can be used to troubleshoot any specific issues if you encounter. If you like this video, please subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notified for every new videos I upload.